by all of you, and we have a lot of inspiration through her in the field of education. In our society, it is something that can change, that's only education. Because if you just see where our society has just been going today, it's only the result of education. If something can change the world, if something can change you, that's only education. That's only education. Education is just really a resource under which the scholars just define that in which direction the society has been just going today. Let me just introduce myself that I have been just also giving my service as a teacher at Salon at least for 15 years, and I have also just prepared many of the guys, students, and my students have also just joined in many companies, even in Delhi, Bangalore, even Dubai, Canada. I have just also given my best contribution to the students. Savitribai Phule is not only inspiration for only Mauri Bandhut Club, but she is also inspiration for every community of the world. Every community. Savitribai Phule is not motivator for only ladies and women, but she is also inspirational for boys, for men, for you, for I, for everybody. Let me just tell you in Hindi few lines. शिक्षा एक ऐसा माध्यम है जिसके अंतर्गत विद्वान तटस्थ भाव से यह तय करता है कि हमारा समाज किस दिशा की ओर जा रहा है। हमारे समाज में अगर कुछ बदलाव चाहिए हमें, तो शिक्षा का ही सहारा लेना होगा, क्योंकि शिक्षा ही एक ऐसा माध्यम रहा है जिसने सदियों से इतिहास रचा है। देश का इतिहास और भूगोल शिक्षा के माध्यम से ही हम बदल सकते हैं। It's only education that really just leads all of us today on a royal track. It's education that makes us an IAS, PCS, doctor, cardiologist, orthopedist, gynecologist, and whatever we want to just be, we can be with the help of only education. If today we are just deprived of education, really we cannot just get this brightness of the world. We cannot just enjoy our life and ourselves today. If there's anybody, any girl, any boy, if you just really want to just get on the top, you'll have to just depending on education, not only on the teacher. Because teacher only can teach you, but if you want to just really get progress, you'll have to just participate directly, and you'll have to just give your 100% in the field of education. Because what's personality we have, you have, these are just manufactured by education, by the teacher. So that's really very important that we have been just looking around us. A lot of universities, colleges, schools have been just flowering today. Many representatives have also just given their best contribution also to just make students on intellectual level. That's why we have been just looking at boys and girls from different kinds of community as well sectors. They are also just making their career in different kinds of sectors. So since morning I have been just also very bored. So now once again a lot of congratulations to the organizers of these kind of just inspirational programs in a society, and it's really just very important, and thanks all of you.